Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. I'm going to demonstrate how to make this spring themed or Easter themed door wreath. All of these supplies and cutting instructions for your fabric are listed below your YouTube screen in the description section. So just scroll down till you see the word more. Click on that word and that section will expand open and you will see the information. So let's get started. This is the wreath form that I'm using. I got it from Dollar Tree. It's styrofoam and it is about 10-inch in diameter going across. You can also use the wire wreath forms, any size you want, to make this same project. You'll need about a half a yard of fabric. If you're using a larger diameter wreath form, you might need more. So when you purchase your fabric, it's folded in half, here's your fold, with the selvage edges together. You're going to cut this edge straight with your ruler, move over 8 to 9 inches depending on the size of your wreath, and do a cut and then move over again 8 to 9 inches and do a cut. So I'm only using 2 pieces that are for the round 10-inch diameter wreath form. So I recommend that you cut the selvage edges off. Now bring right sides together of your fabric, that's the prettier side, and you're going to stitch a 1/2 inch wide seam. If you're not sure what a selvage edge looks like, it's usually a white band that's going on the 2 opposite edges of your fabric. You should cut that off. On your 2 longest edges, you want to fold it over about a 1/2 inch and press all the way across. So when you're done, you have this giant circular ring. I have the wrong side of my fabric facing up, which is the not so pretty side, and I'm going to set the ring down in like this, then pull the fabric up like this. Now find the seam and take and bring it over and match the seam. And I recommend that you put a straight pin in to just hold that. Then take all of this to your sewing machine. Now slide that edge where you have your safety pin at and go ahead and lower your presser foot. Then lower the needle down and do either a tack stitch or just stitch back and forth a few times. So I'm going to do a couple of stitches. I'm going to take my pin out. And now what I'm going to do is arrange bring the fabric edges together. And then you're going to stitch just a little bit. And then what you want to do is make sure that every time you stop sewing, your needle stays down and your presser foot comes up so that you can arrange your fabric again, continue sewing. And you just keep doing that until you get all the way around. This is what it looks like when you're done. Now you want to take this seam that you've just stitched and bring it to the inside of the ring. And then after you've brought it inside, as you can see, my ruffles or gathers are a little uneven. So you want to spread the fabric out until it looks about the same, equal number of gathers all the way around. Now take your twine and your wood beads and put it on the twine, and I used about 16 on here. Then I took my glue gun and just put a tiny dab of glue so that the beads would stay together. Now to put this on, lay your beads and the twine down, then lay your wreath down here. Bring the ends of your twine up over the top towards where the beads end on the twine. Then you're going to be tying it together. Now bring the twine around where the beads are at and begin tying it in a knot. And tie it as tight as possible. Then go and tie the other end down. Now to hide the twine from showing, just bring it into some of the folds of your little gathers right there. And then turn the wreath over. Bring the twine down this way. You're going to trim some of it off, leave about 2 inches, 2.5 inches. Then you're going to take hot glue and glue this down. Put a row of glue going down this edge. Take the end and bring it down like this, and then do the other one. Now you can add any embellishments of your choice. I'm going to put these flowers on along here. I will lay the bow on top, and my bow, I made the bow. I have a separate link tutorial on how to make a bow, so just scroll down to the description section below your YouTube screen. When you see the word more, click on it, and that section will expand open. So all of these items you see here, I bought at Dollar Tree. This is wire ribbon. I also bought this at Dollar Tree, and it was in a package of 6. So I'm going to put these on, 3 on each side. I'll glue them down. Then I'll go and put 3 on the other side, lay the bow down on top, glue it down, and then place this in the center of the bow. So I've got these 3 glued on, so now I'm going to go and glue the other side on the same way. Spread them out like this, lay them down one at a time using hot glue. Now to make sure the flowers are secure, I'm using a zip tie. You can get these in the hardware store, go to Walmart, any place like that. And you'll need 2 of them for this project. So you insert it in, and then to make it tight, you pull on it. Now place a big blob of glue on the back of your bow or whatever embellishment you're going to put in there. So you want to put quite a bit. And I'm going to place it right in the center here, and then hold it down for a moment until it sets. Now I'm turning the bunny over to the back, and I'm going to put a little bit of glue or a big blob of glue right about there and place it in the center of your bow. And you're all done. So when you're done, this is what it looks like. So here's the one I just finished. Let me show you the other version. And here's this one here. Now, if you're interested in making this fabric bunny, I'll have a separate tutorial link below your YouTube screen in the description section. Now, if you're interested in other wreath tutorials and other projects for Easter and spring, again, go down below your YouTube screen to the description section. So as you're scrolling down, look for the word more, click on it, and that section will expand open. Now, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and make sure you check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl. This is Manny, and this is Scotty. See you next time.